Session underscore cookie underscore secure equals true in Django 2.2 redirects admin login to itself. I have a simple Django 2.2 project that I'm trying to publish. I am trying to secure the website as best I can. One of the options is session underscore cookie underscore secure. When set to true, my admin pages just won't work. When I go to /admin page, I will see a login. Inputting the correct login and password just brings me back to the exact same page. If I input the wrong login and password, then an error message pops up. So I know I have used the right password. There's nothing special about my admin setup. It's just in the urls.py of the project folder. Of course, if I set session underscore cookie underscore secure to false, the admin pages works. I have tried setting the session underscore cookie underscore domain to my domain, and that doesn't help. What am I missing? Thanks. Edit. I have just tried the following set of options based on the Django docs, but I am not getting it working. Another edit. So the above works in production, which is HTTPS, but not in development. This is good but also troubling to some degree. We want our production and development environment to be as close as possible so that features and stuff can be tested. I wonder what the best practice is when it comes to testing these troublesome little Django settings.
Actually, the following works. It is just the testing in on my development environment. HTTPS is not available.
It seems the session underscore cookie underscore secure option works correctly only under the HTTPS connection. But, I have no idea why does it work under HTTP in my local environment with default Django's manage.py run server but not in Jinx/Unicorn in production.
Was hotel is een